Okay, in 7th grade science, we also cover ecosystems and trophic pyramids. So another activity I did was I had students come up, I split the screen, and I would give them a trophic pyramid and energy calculation problem to solve. So the way that I did that is over in the far left corner, there's a little icon with 3 different human silhouettes. Click on that. It does split the screen. It takes a little bit of time, but this is a good time for class discussion and reviewing what the rules are with using this board. Once it loads, what happened is I would have on the sideboard a model of the trophic pyramid that students could use for reference, and then I gave them a calculation such as if the producer has 400 units of energy, how much would the secondary consumer get? And so the student would have to come and draw out their trophic pyramid, label it, and do the calculations. Each student was able to write on their own section, and they do not cross over. So there's no messing with each other's boards. They are able to help each other out, but collaboration is learning, so it worked, and it was a lot of fun.